How to use RobinHood backup code. In this video, I'll show you how to use your RobinHood backup code to log in if you don't have access to your Authenticator app. Let's get right into it. First, make sure you have downloaded RobinHood app on your phone. If you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open RobinHood app. Here, enter your username and password as usual. When it asks for two-factor authentication code, you don't have access to your phone or Authenticator app, enter backup code. Click or tap on the use backup code. Then type in the 8-digit backup code that you have saved when you first set up two-factor authentication on RobinHood. If you have not saved your backup code, you need to contact RobinHood support to regain access. For that, tap on your person icon and here click on this 3 line on the top right corner and click on RobinHood support and tap on Help Center to explain your issue. Always store your backup codes in a safe place, and that's it. That's how you use a RobinHood backup code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.